Understanding the phrase, snap, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English idiomatic expressions and words, and we'll be exploring the term, snap. This simple word has various meanings and uses in English, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use it with confidence. In its most basic form, snap is a verb, which refers to breaking something, usually something thin or brittle, quickly and suddenly. Example, I tried to bend the ruler, and it snapped in half. Be careful with that old book, the pages might snap. Snap can also be used to describe something that happens suddenly or unexpectedly. Example, in a snap, the weather changed from sunny to rainy. She made the decision in a snap. In the context of photography, snap is an informal term for taking a picture. Example, while on vacation, she snapped photos of all the famous landmarks. Let's snap a selfie, said Sarah. Sometimes, snap is used to describe someone speaking sharply or suddenly out of irritation or impatience. Example, why aren't you listening? She snapped. He snapped at me just for asking a simple question. Snap can also be a noun. It can refer to a quick, sharp noise or the act of snapping something. Example, the snap of the twig alerted the deer. With a snap of his fingers, he caught everyone's attention. There are some common phrases that include the word snap, like snap decision, making a decision quickly without much thought. Snap out of it, a way to tell someone to stop feeling a certain way and get back to their usual self. Oh snap, a colloquial expression to show surprise or acknowledgement. And there we have it. The word snap is versatile and can be used in various contexts in the English language. We hope you found this explainer helpful. Remember, the key to mastering these phrases and uses is practice. So, try using snap in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.